As the questions swirl around the whereabouts of the Vinton judge at the center of the controversy engulfing the El Paso District Attorney's Office, we have extra depth on the legal issues Roger Rodriguez faced as a practicing attorney. Remember, Rodriguez was called a representative of the DA's office by family members of El Paso Walmart shooting victims and is accused of threatening one of those families. According to the State Bar of Texas, Roger Rodriguez, who has been a licensed attorney since 2001, has been publicly reprimanded twice, once in 2007 and again in 2012. Both times, the Grievance Committee for the State Bar of Texas found Rodriguez committed professional misconduct. According to documents obtained by ABC7, the 2012 reprimand was issued after the committee ruled Rodriguez should have known the federal civil rights case he took on was, quote, beyond his competence. The 2007 reprimand came after Rodriguez didn't communicate with the client who had hired Rodriguez to litigate an immigration matter and ultimately neglected the case. Rodriguez was ordered to pay fees, expenses, and restitution in both cases, amounting to more than $4,500. According to the Legal Services Database website, AVO, a public reprimand does not keep an attorney from practicing law. And ABC7 has found another image of Rodriguez standing shoulder to shoulder with District Attorney Ivan Rosales. This picture was posted on Rosales' professional Facebook page on August 2nd, 2021. The caption states she met with the Attorney General of Chihuahua ahead of the second anniversary of the Walmart shooting and was presented with this rosary in memory of the victims of the massacre who resided in Mexico. In the post, Rosales thanked Rodriguez, quote, for facilitating this prestigious gathering. A year later, Rodriguez was accused by the family of a Walmart shooting victim who lived in Mexico of intimidating them and impersonating them in an email to El Paso journalists. And according to AVO, Rodriguez is listed as an identity theft attorney. Now, I tried calling the office number listed on a website for Rodriguez, but had to leave a voicemail and have not received a call back. And it turns out the address on the State Bar website for his office is to a P.O. box.